Right, we are going to solve another LeetCode problem, LeetCode 45. We are given again with this thing. What? This is an array which represents we can go two positions far from here, right? So how far can we go from here by taking only one jump? We can reach here. By using these two elements, how far we can go by taking one jump again, right? This will take us to this, the final destination. So it will take two jumps from here to reach the destination. So we know that one jump will take us here, another jump if we will take us here, right? So let's code it up. So we can get number of jumps. Number of jumps is zero initially, and how far we can go with that many number of jumps at index 0 we can go. And the last thing to do is the end of a jump. What, where will we reach if we will take that jump? All right. So end is also initially 0. Okay. All right. So we will traverse from here to here. First, when we are at 0th index, how far we can go? The farthest will become this, right? So the farthest will become I plus nums I. Correct. So this is the farthest thing we can reach with one jump, right? So we will increment number of jumps, and also and should be farthest. Correct. Now, now we will keep updating farthest for these two elements, right? But we will not update the end. We'll update the end only when the jump is required. The next jump will be required from this index. We will set the end to the farthest, right? So, so you know what? When we will update the end, right? Jump should be updated in that only thing. We will keep updating the farthest. Farthest should be max of farthest and this, right? Now we want to check if the end has arrived. If I is the end of that jump, if the first jump will be taken from the 0th index, right? So we will increment the number of jump. All right. So by taking one jump, the end should be pointing over here. So we'll update the end to point where? To point at the farthest. And we can return the number of jumps. So this should work. Now let's try running this solution. Now we are standing here. The farthest will get updated to here, and this is the end of the jump 0. So jump will be updated to 1, and here this element uh, is the end, right? Now we will come to this index and the farthest will get updated to this index because plus 3 I plus I'm sorry, right? So the farthest will be updated to 5 0 1 2 3 4 4. It will update it to 4. Okay. Now the end has arrived here and farthest is at index what? At index 4. So when the end arrives over here, we will update the we will take another jump, right? So we'll increment number of jumps and end should be updated to the farthest again. So the two jumps we now this index this and this all of these are in can be reached in the second jump itself, right? So we do not need to move further, and if we will reach here, what will be? It is definitely not the end. So our solution should work fine. Yes, it is working.